In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your background theme in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can access the home page or a new tab page. This is where the background and theme settings are easiest to find. If Chrome is already open, you can simply go to a new tab to continue. After the customization panel opens, select the theme option. This is the setting that lets you change how Chrome looks. When you click on Theme, you will be able to browse different visual styles and background choices. Take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that fits your style. Some themes are clean and simple, while others are more colorful or image-based. As you select different themes, Chrome may show you a preview, so you can see how the browser will look before you fully commit to it. This makes it easier to find a theme that feels right for your workspace. If you want a more polished browsing experience, choosing a theme that is easy on the eyes can help, especially if you spend a lot of time in Chrome. Lighter themes can feel bright and minimal, while darker themes may be more comfortable in low-light settings. Once you choose your theme, Chrome will apply the change, and your browser background will update. That covers everything you need to know.